Hello guys, what's up? I'm back here for you, and today I will show you how you can make $5,000 in a day through this platform. It's really crazy how much money you can make with this, and I was totally amazed by this strategy when I found out about it. As far as making crypto online goes, this is bread and butter, and we're gonna fill our pockets like crazy today. A lot of people are already doing it, and we can do the same if we take some action right now. Just make sure to follow all the steps carefully, as they are closely related, and you need to do them in exact order, guys. I'm here to help you with some guidance, and as always, please like the video and make sure you subscribe so you can be with me whenever I find some new methods for making money online. This is your money machine, and now let's go to step number 1.
Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple.
Hello guys, and welcome to Binance.com. This is the first website on which I want you to connect to, and as you can see, Binance.com, as you already know it, it's a perfect platform for doing anything related to crypto. As you can see, they have their market and they support Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Coin, Dogecoin, Ripple, and they have got their apps on the App Store, Android, Google Play, Windows, Linux. You can get it wherever you want, and it works in every country out there. So it doesn't matter where you come from, you're still able to get some money for yourself using this website. And this website offers great markets. So as you can see, you can buy and sell your cryptocurrency here. You can even mine some cryptocurrency here, but that's what we're not gonna do today. Today, we're not mining. Today, we're not buying or selling. Today, we have a completely different method, and this website offers the best opportunity for us. And just before I show you how we're gonna earn money on Binance.com, let's go on SimilarWeb and search for Binance.com. As you can see, monthly visits here are 153 million, guys. As you can see, in September 2021, there was 153 million visitors. In August, there was 165 millions. And just look at the May 2021, it's 250 million users coming onto this website, buying and selling cryptocurrency, mining, or whatnot. And as you can see, there is a graph here which shows where people come from. People who visit these websites, where are they coming from? So it's Turkey, Russia, Brazil, Argentina, Vietnam, and you can see 247 more countries. So this works wherever you live on Earth, guys. And what I want you to do, guys, is simply click on the register button over here, because we need to do that in order to start this method. Now here you will just select where do you live, and as you can see, there are a lot of countries. It is supported everywhere in the world, so it doesn't matter. You can live in Cayman Islands, for example. You can live in Liberia. Simply select your country and then we can go. And now here you just enter your email, your password, confirm this, subscribe to email updates, and I have read and agreed to Binance terms of service, and create your absolutely free account. Now they will send you an email for verification, so make sure you enter a valid email address and then you're able to go. And now once you log into your brand new account, I want you to scroll down to the bottom of the page where you can find Referral Section over here. Just click on it and it will open this page where you can see that you can refer friends and earn crypto together. You can earn up to 40% commission on every trade across Binance, Spot, futures, and pool. So guys, 40% for you. Other pages always give like 10 or 15 or 20% maximum, and Binance.com is giving 40% commission, guys. That's a crazy commission. There is no website out there that is giving better commission than Binance.com. And guys, we need to take opportunity. We need to take advantage of this, and we need to invite our friends to this platform. So whenever they do something related to crypto on this website, they will give the commission to us. 40% commission, guys. It's not a joke. Now, before I show you the traffic source which we will be using to get these people over here, I want to show you that this over here, this is your referral link. As you can see, you can copy it to your clipboard, and this is your referral ID. You don't need referral ID for now, but you need this link. This referral link is what's gonna make you money, guys. So now what you can do is go to bit.ly.com and make that link shortened. Now, this is optional. You don't actually have to do it, but I suggest that you do it, guys, because your link will get better looking. And by using this link over here, it seems obvious that you promote something, that you promote Binance, for example. And when you shorten it like this, it's a bit less obvious for people to know what you're doing. And in addition, your link will get better looking and it will be smaller. So it's always better if you shorten your links and then put it into action. And for the last step, guys, we need to go to youtube.com, and actually this is the traffic source which we will be using to make ourselves some money. If you go and type in where to buy Bitcoin, for example, you will see these examples right here which people are making, and they are using it for various purposes. Some are depending on AdSense and some are doing the same thing that we're gonna do right now. So you can see here that there is 350,000 searches per month for this particular keyword. And you don't have to use this exact keyword. You can just use crypto, for example. If you do it like this, crypto, you can see that there is 2 million searches per month. But for example, let's go back to where to buy Bitcoin. And as you can see, people are making different videos and you don't have to show your face using this method. You can just use a recording software. For example, I'm using OBS right now. And what you can do, you can just make videos like these guys are doing, and you can go on Binance.com and you can explain to people what this website does. What are its features? How can they make money here? How can they trade here? For example, this website has NFT. That's a new option which you can find on Binance.com. You can get money by playing these games, these NFT games, and maybe certain people will like that and they will come on Binance.com and find something for themselves. And once you make that video, you can just make yourself a new account on youtube.com and upload that video here. And in the first line of your description, you will write something like, this is a place where you can buy Bitcoin, where you can buy Ethereum, where you can buy Ripple, where you can trade, and then there's gonna go your affiliate link, your referral link, which we just shortened on bit.ly.com. So just make a short video which is explaining every feature of Binance.com. You can just do it like I'm doing right now in this video, and you can upload that video on YouTube and put your link in the first line of the description. It's not hard. You don't have to show your face. You just have to record your screen, and that's it, guys. It's a lot less work than what you're doing right now, I'm sure. And a lot of people are doing, guys. A lot of people are making money this way, and that's why I'm sharing it with you, so you can start doing the same thing they do. So all you have to do is go on Referral Section, which is over here, copy your referral link into your clipboard, shorten it on bit.ly.com, and then go on YouTube, create an account, and make a video of Binance.com and just paste it onto YouTube and just put your referral link in the first line of description. That's it, guys. And there's gonna be so much traffic on YouTube, so much people are gonna watch your video and they will click on it, they will click on your affiliate link, and you will earn commission, guys. 40% commission for you, and you can just set it up once and it's gonna be there forever. That's your passive income. Every month you will receive certain amount of money, and that's gonna be great, guys. That's great passive income. Trust me, I use this. I make a lot of money doing this. And I don't know what stops you from doing that as well, because all you have to do is invest some of your free time. And we all got some free time, right? The only difference is how we use it. And we need to start and use it smartly, guys. As you can see, this is Binance.com. They've got over 1.4 million transactions per second. And if you ever get stuck, they have 24/7 support, and that's sweet as well. This is a great website, guys. You can take advantage of their referral program and get some money for yourself. So now all you have to do is go out there and make some money, guys. Make some money because everyone else is making money online. And if you don't start now, you will be left out. And I don't want that to happen to you. So go and take some action. Follow these steps and get yourself rich. This is your money machine, and I'll catch you guys later.